Yeah, so our next game is red flags. We're going to give you 3 hypothetical situations composed of 2 things that are going good and 1 that's not so good, which is a red flag. And you have to assume that these statements are true. We have adapted these for adapt as well. And you have to then pick which one you would rather be in. Okay, so situation 1, your community has increased to 50,000 users in the next 3 years. Adapt partners up with 50 corporates across India to be the go-to place for their employees for holistic mental well-being. But recently, there have been multiple bad reviews for a handful of therapists on Adapt. Situation 2, you now have a team of 50 plus therapists part of Adapt. Adapt is the #1 leading company in India for holistic well-being, including both mental and physical with your app. But building Adapt has become more demanding and it has impacted your personal mental health negatively. Situation 3, there have been over 300,000 therapy sessions conducted by Adapt in the next 5 years. Adapt launches a comprehensive mental health awareness campaign in collaborations with well-known influencers and celebrities that goes viral and that creates a significant buzz around the importance of mental health. But users are starting to find the cost of therapy extremely high. So these are your 3 situations.
Preet's got it.
Yeah.
Ayushi, ready?
Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go.
3.
Okay.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Both of you are on the
Yeah.
same page.
Yeah, I mean, if you have that kind of reach, then
Yeah.
Also, like your market can change.
Yeah, exactly. Because now
you can adapt to like
Yeah.
a premium service, premium market.
yeah,
luxury.
if you're tying up with influencers and everything,
Yeah.
can reach a different audience.
Yeah, and there is buzz, like you're creating that awareness of and the importance of
Yeah.
mental
Yeah.
health as well. Yeah.
But
No, I was
really nice
also
situations. I like.
Yeah, really creative.
I was interested to see it, but and I'm glad both of you all also put your personal mental health above like
yeah.
the company.
100%.
But yeah, that was something that I was curious to see, like whether you all would sacrifice your own mental health being in this space or not.
No, I feel
Because it
like
says
if
a lot
you
about
are
what
not
you're. Yeah,
fit,
exactly. Yeah.
If you yourself are not, like, how do you show up for yourself, and then how can you expect to show up for a company that shows up for so many other people?
Yeah.
It
And
just
like
won't
it's
work.
not like you're
Very
not
nicely
in.
put.
Yeah. And you're not in the same direction of what you're preaching, essentially.
Exactly.
Yeah, you're not.